Something major has just been marked on the calendar. And if you follow Samsung even a little, February 25th, 2026 is a date you won't want to miss. Samsung has officially confirmed its Galaxy Unpacked 2026 event, and this time they're changing things up. No San Jose, no familiar stage. Instead, Unpacked is heading to San Francisco, and that alone signals that this launch is meant to feel different. This is the moment the Galaxy S26 series finally takes center stage, and Samsung isn't being subtle about its focus this year. The Unpacked invitations are already out, showing a glowing box filled with sparkling AI stars. That's no coincidence. It's Samsung clearly putting Galaxy AI at the heart of 2026. In Samsung's own words, the new Galaxy S series is designed to remove friction from everyday life, making interactions feel effortless, confident, and seamlessly intelligent from the moment you pick up the phone. This isn't just about faster processors or improved cameras anymore. It's about a phone that thinks alongside you. Now, let's talk about when and where you can watch it live. Galaxy Unpacked 2026 will be held in person in San Francisco, but Samsung will stream it globally. You'll be able to watch on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Samsung's official website. Here are the key times: 10 a.m. Pacific Time, 1 p.m. Eastern Time in the US, 6 p.m. London GMT, 11:30 p.m. India IST, 3 a.m. Seoul KST, and 12 a.m. Bangkok ICT. Set your reminders. This is one event you won't want to miss. Here's where things get even more interesting. With the Unpacked invite now public, Samsung reservations are officially open. In the US, reserving the next Galaxy is free and usually helps early buyers unlock the best pre-order bonuses. But this year, there's a catch. Leaks suggest that while S26 pricing in the US may remain unchanged, Samsung could skip the usual free storage upgrade. With memory costs rising, longtime Samsung fans might feel that difference at checkout. So it may be the same price, but with fewer extras. As for what's launching, Unpacked 2026 isn't just about smartphones. Samsung is expected to introduce the Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, and S26 Ultra, along with the new Galaxy Buds 4 lineup. On the software side, One UI 8.5 is also on the way, and this is where things really step up. Samsung is bringing in something called Agentic AI, a major evolution of Galaxy AI. This isn't just AI that responds when you ask. It's designed to anticipate your needs, adapt to your habits, and assist you proactively across the entire phone experience. Performance is also getting a lot of attention this year. According to leaks, the Galaxy S26 and S26 Plus will use the Exynos 2600 in Asia, Africa, and Europe, while models in the US, Canada, and China will switch to Qualcomm chips. The Galaxy S26 Ultra, however, is expected to run exclusively on Snapdragon worldwide, and that says a lot. Samsung clearly knows Ultra users don't want any compromises. To be honest, Galaxy Unpacked 2026 doesn't feel like just another yearly refresh. It feels more like Samsung resetting the direction. A new city, a stronger AI focus, smarter software, and a clearer distinction between Ultra and non-Ultra models. February 25th isn't just another launch date. It feels like Samsung's statement for the years ahead. And if you want full S26 leaks, deep dives, AI breakdowns, and honest opinions before and after Unpacked, this launch is shaping up to be something big, and we'll be covering it all.